Boom! Welcome to the science experiment. Wait, where's Carissa? Is she still sleeping? Carissa! Carissa! Well, anyways, let's just do the experiment right now. Why did it take you a long time to wake up? Today we're gonna do the original baking soda and vinegar experiment. All the ingredients you need is food coloring, obviously. Any color you want, a cup, baking soda, and vinegar, a plate or a tray, something like this you can hold.
Something like smooth.
Yeah, something like smooth and then like longer to protect the explosion. If you're outside, then you don't need these. Since we're inside, we need these. First, pour in the vinegar into your cup.
All?
Yeah, all. Next, pour in the food coloring. Add 2 drops. Let's get a spoon. Let's clap 3 times.
A happy one.
I got this one. Just a normal one. Okay, now mix it. Put in the cup into the tray.
Plate.
Now, let's put in the
Baking soda.
3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Wow.
Whoa! Guys,
Thank you for watching.
thank you for watching. If you like this experiment,